Hello, this is TJ from Fat Boys Garden. We got another harvest that we're going to be doing today. Let me dump this water out first. Ooh, it rained last night. And, oh my God, the potatoes have sprung new growth. This is why I've waited so long. And they've sprung new growth. That's probably not a good thing. See the green? That means that they're starting to grow more potatoes. Because these potatoes should have been harvested on May the 29th. But they kept growing new green. All right. This is TJ number 3. Come help me dump this over in there. We're going to harvest... I believe these are red skin potatoes. We're dumping this in there. All right, we're gonna see what we got for potatoes. If you go up there and look at that blue container, you'll see some garden tools. Well, I'm already disappointed because I really don't see any potatoes in here. I see a lot of roots, but no potatoes. Oh, man. I see 1. 2. Oh, here's another one. That's 2. There's a little one, 3. Oh man, juicy. That one is spoiled. Yep, that one's no good. No. Okay. So once again, this was the surprise that wasn't. Okay, take the dirt out again and dump it over in there. Wow. Okay, let's see here. We're gonna sift this dirt right out of here. Use that. There you go. There's the fork. Oh man, this is my 3rd year trying to grow these types of potatoes, and I got a total of 3 potatoes after I planted 3 seeds. I mean nothing. Okay, let's do this. That's not a potato. That's probably a pecan. This was an absolute waste again.
We got 3 potatoes though.
There's the 4th one.
4 potatoes.
Boom. 3 seeds, 4 potatoes. Yep, that's it. Nothing.
4 potatoes.
That's the only thing I hate about doing potatoes. You never know what you got till you dump it out. So what I got is a 15-gallon bucket of dirt. And 3 potatoes about the size of a very small tangerine. Well, better luck next year.
You gotta wait a whole year to do this again?
Yep.
Why?
They only grow in the spring. Plant them in the spring.
Wow.
That'll do it for TJ's Fat Boys Garden. This is TJ. See you next time.